We're going to change a little bit the subject now, and we're going to leave The Walking Dead to talk about Red Skull at the MCU. Did you have to audition, or did someone just call you and ask you, hey, do you want to do Red Skull?
I wish it was that easy, but no. I've gotten kind of a reputation as being someone who does a lot of impressions of celebrities, so they knew that I did all these impressions, and they reached out to my manager and asked me if I had a Hugo Weaving impression, and I said, well, Hugo is Australian, but which Hugo Weaving are we talking about, because he's known for doing accents other than his own. And they said, well, we can't say what the project is, but think German Hugo Weaving. And I said, it's like Red Skull? And they're like, well, we can't say it, but... And then, sure enough, the clip they sent was from Captain America, the First Avenger, from 2010, I think. And I practiced it several times. I sent the audition, didn't hear anything for like a month. And then, as I was done with season 7 of The Walking Dead, I flew from Atlanta to LA, which is like 6 hours, and I'm on the taxi ride home, and my manager called and said, hey, you booked that Hugo Weaving job. I said, oh, what is this? They didn't tell me it was Avengers. I had no idea. And so I had to fly back literally that afternoon. We were shooting the next day, and I had to memorize all these lines as fast as I could, and I got there, and they're putting the dots on my face and the head camera, the motion capture suit, and that's when they told me I was working on the new Avengers movies, and I was like, oh my God, I was shocked. I couldn't believe it, you know, so, yeah. So many words, I'm so sorry. I feel bad.
Alors j'aurais bien aimé que ce soit aussi simple qu'un petit appel, mais non. Alors je suis un petit peu connue pour faire des imitations de célébrités, etc. Donc on avait appelé mon manager pour me demander si je pouvais faire une imitation de Hugo, en demandant voilà, quel type d'accent je pouvais faire. Et en sachant que lui de base il est australien, donc j'avais demandé un petit peu des détails, et on m'a dit ah ben on ne peut pas du tout parler du projet, mais ce serait un accent plutôt allemand. Là, je me suis empressée de dire crâne rouge, et on m'a dit on ne peut rien vous dire, mais effectivement, l'extrait à doubler c'était crâne rouge, je crois que c'était une édition de 2010, et puis donc j'ai auditionné, j'ai envoyé ma candidature, et j'ai pas reçu de réponse tout de suite, donc j'ai attendu environ un mois, et puis après on était en train de terminer la saison 7 de The Walking Dead, et j'ai pris un avion d'Atlanta, je suis partie, je suis rentrée chez moi. Et puis là, je reçois un appel, on me dit bah, il faut tout de suite que tu reviennes parce que on a un nouveau projet pour toi. Donc je ne savais pas trop de quoi il s'agissait. J'ai essayé d'apprendre les répliques aussi vite que possible, et je suis repartie d'Ardard. Et je suis arrivée sur le tournage, on a commencé à me mettre toutes les petites sondes, à me maquiller, etc. Et là, j'ai compris que j'étais arrivée sur le tournage des Avengers.
Wow.